And what you can see here is the renovation of the Armenian part. And you can see that they're doing it slowly and carefully. And where we are at the church next to the tomb of Jesus, which is right here. The tomb itself was renovating lately, and it looks totally new, which I must tell you it's new because if there is something that's been destroyed so many times, is the tomb of Jesus. If someone didn't like the crescent, they did it. But for me, now the most important thing is the renovation itself, because this is part of history. You see Mary and Jesus. I can see that it's under renovation. And let me see what we can see from here. Not a lot, but here it is. Oh no, I don't want to make it bigger. Wait a minute. There it is. Church of the Holy Sepulchre, December 2018.